Like I keep saying, a brighter smile's the best deal in town, and what better time to get those teeth cleaned up than on Plaque Friday at InStyle Dental, Polo Park. You know the deal on Plaque Friday. Everything must go! Microbial plaque, coronal plaque, biofilm, tartar, calculus, stains. Yes, everyday stains, bacteria, acids. Haven't forgot about those. Food, just literal food stuck between your teeth, okay? A brighter smile is the best deal in town, and the hygienists at InStyle Dental are cleaning everything out of your mouth. So you book that next dental cleaning at InStyleDental.ca. We got that up there on the website for you, and you get a free LED Teeth Whitening Kit with your first cleaning. And it doesn't even have to be a Friday. Let me tell you, the Friday thing is a complete gimmick, okay? Because Plaque Friday is a made-up day. It does not come with any discounts or giveaways besides the dead giveaway of a smile that is whiter and brighter. Let me tell you something. Wow. This place is really nice. It's really modern. And why'd you hire me? That's the thing I can't understand. You didn't hire me? Okay, you did not hire. Okay.
Book your next hygiene appointment at InStyleDental.ca and get a free LED teeth whitening kit with your first cleaning.